Hey guys, it's Michael. Boeing just released its third quarter earnings for 2020, and while they did beat expectations, it still doesn't look good. Boeing on Wednesday said it would cut thousands of additional jobs through the end of next year as it scrambles to cut costs in the pandemic. The company's revenue came in ahead of estimates, but the company is still struggling as the virus and a plunge in air travel hurts demand for new aircrafts. So in today's video, we're going to go over Boeing's third quarter earnings, some of the specific numbers in there, and what it means for the company moving forward, as well as the stock price. And if you enjoy this sort of content, well then please be sure to like the video down below and subscribe to my channel. It really helps out a lot. So on Wednesday, October 28th, Boeing reported third quarter results ahead of market open, and they reported a loss of $1.39 per share versus an expected loss of $2.52 per share. On top of this, their revenue, they came in at $14.1 billion versus an expected $13.9 billion. And since they did come in ahead of expectations, their stock price did jump up a little bit, about 1% after the earnings announcement. However, it still doesn't look good for the company moving forward. The pandemic's impact on air travel demand is still not back to at least half of what it was at last year at this time, and it has worsened Boeing's crisis stemming from two fatal crashes of the 737 MAX. Regulators are currently at the tail end of the plane's review, but have still not signed off and passed them yet, preventing Boeing from delivering them to customers and hurting its free cash flow as a result. On top of this, Boeing CEO Dave Calhoun told employees that the company will be laying off thousands of employees, and they are aiming to have 130,000 employees by the end of 2021. Currently, they have 160,000, so within the next year to year and a half, they're going to be laying off close to 30,000 employees. And now let's get into Boeing's stock price. Currently, Boeing is sitting at $155 per share, and while the stock is down around 50% from what it was last year, ultimately Boeing still has a long road ahead of them. Currently, there's reduced long-term commercial jet demand, aircraft delivery cancellations. They've had terrible earnings and are still waiting approval from Congress on the plane designs from the two deadly crashes of Boeing's grounded jetliner, the 737 MAX. On top of this, they're going to be laying off 30,000 employees. So right now they have a long road ahead of them before they can recover to where they were pre-pandemic. So anyways, that's what's going on with Boeing, their announcement with their earnings for Q3 in 2020 earlier today, and what is going on with their stock price right now and moving into the future. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to get your 2 free stocks valued up to $1,600 when you download the Webull investing app using the link down below. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.